I'm First Lieutenant Arvizu from Sierra Battery 511, so we're a HIMARS battery out of Camp Pendleton, California. So we're here to conduct a HIMARS rapid infiltration, so it's high rain for short. So essentially what we're doing is we're going to be loading two of our M142 launchers onto the back of a C-130. They're going to fly us from here to another airfield where we're going to offload the aircraft. Convoy with security built by 2nd Low Altitude Air Defense, and then we're going to go conduct some fires down in Donnelly training area. So we're out here as part of the Special Purpose MAGTF Arctic Edge. So we're out here today with a joint Air Force squadron that's going to come out to load our HIMARS launchers. So now we're at Allen Army Airfield in Fort Greely, Alaska. We're going to be flying from here on that C-130 about 5 clicks south to Donnelly, DZ. And then from there we're going to download the aircraft with our launchers. So for our launchers, we have to essentially put them in what's called a kneeling status. So we'll download the suspension, lower the front end of the cab, and then we're also going to deflate the tires enough so we can get them right at about where the aircrew wants us, in between about 104 to 100 inches. That way we can load it into the back of the aircraft. From there we'll tie it down with the aircrew's help, and then we'll fly from here to Donnelly, DZ. Yeah, so it's the first time that I've brought my platoon out to a place like this. We definitely learned a lot. It's been great learning from not only the other units that we're out here with, but also the units that are organic here to Fort Greely. They've taught us a lot about, one, maintenance of vehicles and stuff like that, and then also just the stuff that we learned on our own, shooting our rockets and seeing how our launchers act in negative-degree weather. From that, and then also just the fact of really building a joint team from everybody from the Marines to the Navy, Army, and even the Air Force now that we're going to be on their C-130s, just really showing what the U.S. military is capable of, not only in environments that we're more used to, such as like the Pacific and stuff like that, but coming out really to the cold. So I think it's important to have these joint Arctic missions like this, again, because of that learning piece. For us as HIMARS, I think really just seeing where the asset can go. And as of right now, we're showcasing that it can go everywhere from the Pacific to desert type environments and now cold weather environments. And really it's with the aid of really, like I'm saying, that joint force. We can't do this alone. It's really with what we learn from everybody else and how we all come together to execute the mission.